Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to be seeing how to make watermelon popsicles. Firstly, let's cut the watermelon into pieces into a bowl. You can use anywhere from 4 to 6 cups of watermelon depending on the number of popsicles you want to make. Next, we are going to blend this watermelon. So for that, let's transfer the watermelon pieces into a blender. You can use a blender or a juicer or even a food processor for this purpose. Anything would do the job. Now, we are adding 5 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. This salt will enhance the taste of the watermelon. Now, let's blend this well. As the next step, we are going to be filtering this mixture to remove the pulp and the seeds. Next, we'll pour this into ice cream molds. Here, I have ice cream molds, so I will be using these. If you don't have one, you could also use a steel glass, pour the mixture into it, cover it with some aluminum foil, create a small hole and put in an ice cream stick or a toothpick. You could also use paper cups instead. While I fill the remaining ice cream molds, please show us some love by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. It would mean a lot to me and it's completely free, so why not? Now, it's time for us to freeze our popsicles. I will be freezing them overnight. Make sure to freeze them at least for 8 hours. Now, these popsicles have been frozen for around 10 hours, so let's take these popsicles one by one and dip them in a glass of water. Dip it in water for 20 seconds to release the popsicles from the mold. And that's it, our delicious and refreshing 2-ingredient simple to make watermelon popsicle is ready. Let's beat the heat together this summer.